This is a quick review for the WEN benchtop drill press and variable speed cast iron benchtop with leather and work lights. And the model number is 4214T. It's about 85 pounds. And it's very easy to roll up and down. Plus it has this extender, so if you have like a bigger wood, so you can extend this so it'll be stable to drill. And it comes with 3 of these levers, but I only need 1 of them, so I took the other 2 off. And plus it has the lights right here, the light switch, and the leather is right here. It's kind of hard to see where, see, the middle with the leathers, and they are located right underneath right here. The height is from the tabletop all the way here on the top. It's about 38 inch, and from the back all the way to the front to about like I'd say 24 inch. And from here, from side to is about like 15 inch. So it fits perfect in a small shop. And plus I have a shelf on the top, so that works perfect. I can use the top part since you don't have to open to change the speed. 85 pounds, a little bit heavy. It's 85 pounds. The maximum speed is 3,200 RPM, and the lowest is 580, and it's 120 volts and 5 amps. So far I'm really satisfied with the drill press, and it works well. I don't have any problems so far. And if you have a small shop like me, it's like 1-car garage, this will be a perfect fit. And you can adjust the depth of the drill with this right here, so you can control how far you want to drill or not. Doesn't take a lot of room, and it does the work. Done. The only complaint I have is it kind of vibrates a little bit, which is, I mean, all the drill press vibrates, so that's not a big deal. But then they have a speed for the drill size right here on the side, which is helpful. So this is a quick review for the WEN benchtop drill press. The model number is 4214T, and I like WEN products. I have their sander right here, and I have their generator too. So the price is not that expensive and not that cheap either, but it's well built product. Seems to work well so far. So if you want to buy this for your small shop, especially if you have a shop small like mine, this will be a perfect fit. The one thing I really like about this WEN drill press, to change the speed, you don't have to open the top. You just use the lever right here and change the speed however you want it. That's such a good thing. Especially if you want to change it in the middle of work, you don't have to stop. You can just change it while you're drilling at the same time. This is how you control the speed. Let me turn it on. So use this lever, and that's the lowest setting so far. turn the lever upward, and that's how you control the speed. That's the max speed right there. And one thing, do not change the speed without turning the machine on. And here is the leather. It's kind of easy to see now since I turned the light off. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.